put you on because we don't know how deep this water is.
Oh, yeah.
Watch your speed. Straddle at it. Okay. We want the wheels up on the high portion of that area. Okay. But if not, at the bottom belly will bottom out.
Okay, so we want to what?
We don't want the wheels to go in the trench.
Okay, we don't. Okay.
Don't. Okay. All right. Go. Was designed to be a side slope, so you can do the side slope, the 30 degrees side slope. But being that it's so muddy and stuff, I just didn't bother to have you to do it. But what I'm gonna have you to do is go into it and pull a little bit up on the right and then the left. Yeah, keep going. Turn your fan off.
It's on.
Turn it on.
It's on.
No.
Wait.
You got it off now. You got it off.
How do I have it off?
The light's on, right? So that means it's off. When it's like that, now it's on. All right, go to left, go to left, go to left, go left.
Okay.
Right.
Oh, okay. Oh my God. Woohoo! Oh my God, Jesus.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. That's like borderline rollover.
Yeah.
Flashback. No, it's not your fault. It's Mr. Herbert's fault. Yeah, look at me going. Okay. Look, I drive a minivan, all right? I just want y'all to know this.
Control your brakes.
Okay.
Control your brakes.
Okay. All right.
You gotta be in control of the truck now.
Okay. All right. I am.
You got the accelerator and brake.
I don't like that noise.
Drive line.
Can I go?
Go. You don't have your drive lines on.
Drive line.
Okay.
Your drive line's not on. Stop.
Stop. Straighten up. Now they're on.
Right.
Should I go down?
No, let's go.
Just go? Okay.
That's the first thing you need to look at when you start spinning. If something's wrong, then you need to look to see if your light's on. All your lights to the left, you see all them lights? They go out.
That's it?
Look.
Okay. Great.
All right, keep going. Same place we just...
You're working out, huh?
We're going to go to the same place where we went a few minutes ago.
Okay, so up the side?
Right. and then go up. Right.
Right.
No, stop. Back.
Okay. All right.
Turn your wheel before you start.
Yep.
Let go. Left.
I can't see.
What the temperature look like? Keep going.
Temperature.
Keep going.
190. 190.
All right. Follow that track. Straight ahead.
Got ATVs.
Yeah.
Go. All you got.
Hold on to your seat. Here we go.
All right. Lock it up. Go ahead. Go.
That's like camera. Huh?
Right.
The camera.
Straight. Go. Go. Give it some gas. Go. Mash it.
It's mashed.
Right up here. These Hesco barriers right here. Take it right. Take it right. Slow down.
Slow down.
gonna follow the tracks down.
Right here?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
You asking me if I'm sure?
Are you sure?
Are you sure?
Oh, no!
I'm
Okay, down and to the right.
most definitely sure.
Okay, good. Just making sure you're sure, because one of us got
Making sure I'm sure.
Yep.
Much as I come out here.
Yeah.
Take a right.
Take a right. Do this.
Stop. You're gonna go up that hill right there. However you want to do it. Your drive line. How your drive line look? Not straight ahead.
Straight
To the right, just like we did before. To the right. To the right. To the right. Left. 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 Left.
Left. Okay. And then we're gonna go back down.
Ahead. We're gonna go back down to the left. Turn left.
Right here.
Left.
Left.
See that ramp bed over there that going up
Yeah.
that hill? The water. You gotta be very careful.
Okay, so turn the fan off.
No. That's just a little bit of
Just be
water. You
very
can
careful.
tell. You can tell that ain't no water.
Right. Okay.
It's not a big old
You know
river.
what? I got stuck in the puddle a couple days ago. I'll never want to do it again.
In your what? In your van?
Oh my god. In our dually. Alright.
Go left.
Left. Is that the last of it?
Straight ahead to the fence. All the gauges look good.
190. Yep.
All pressure look good.
50. Now where to?
All right, left.
We're gonna go up there.
Right.
Right. On
You're
these.
gonna go down.
Going down. Up.
Turn and then turn right. Turn right. Slow. The road is right there. Where we came in at.
Yep.